Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to import Blocksy's demo content. First things first, we're going to go and click on Appearance and click on Themes. And make sure that you have Blocksy installed and activated. Now, either it's Blocksy or Blocksy Child, either or is fine. Next, we're going to go over to our plugins and make sure that we have our Blocksy Companion plugin activated. Now, since we have the premium or the pro version, we have Blocksy Companion Premium activated. Now, if you were to install Blocksy to begin with, it would give you a prompt, a card up here asking you to install Blocksy Companion. Next, you wouldn't even have this tab over here if you didn't have Blocksy Companion installed. All right, so click on the Blocksy tab and click on Starter Sites. Now, we can see all of the demo content, demo sites that we can use. Now, you don't have to have the premium version. You can click on free, and there are a whole bunch of free themes and demo content you can use. Now, if you hover over them, you can see which block editor, site builder that you could use. And this one says Gutenberg, Breezy, and Elementor. We can click on preview, and we can test drive the whole website. So each one of these hover things, we can click on it, see if it does anything, click on take action. It takes us back to the home page. You can click on the about page and we can see how all of these blocks and elements look. And once we've decided that we want to use the site, we just go ahead and click on import. We can select our page builder, Gutenberg, Breezy, and Elementor. Gutenberg is the stock one. You can click on next, make sure these are checked. And all of these are highlighted and click on install. Now we'll wait for this to install. And the importance of demo content with our starter sites is that everything is going to be in place. So we have, for instance, over here, we have our background. So we can click on that in our page editor, our page builder, our customizer, and we can change the background. We can see, for instance, on the web shop, we can see how all of our products would look like if we had a shop up and running. If we didn't have the demo content, we'd be punching out in the dark. We wouldn't have any basis for how to customize our site with. All right, so let's go ahead and view our site. And it's going to be the same thing as a preview a while ago, except it's on our domain. And we have all of our elements over here and pages and so on, right? Now, if we wanted to customize it, let's say for our home page here, we can click on Edit Page, and we can see that all of our elements, will be on the page. So, for instance, this tagline here, our main heading for our site is right here. So we can just go ahead and click on it because it's already there because we have the demo content. Oops. Right. And we can go ahead and add a block here. We can add an image. We can choose one from our library, and probably select this. And then we can have an image here. And then for the background, we can go ahead and click on the background, and then click on style, and then background. You can enable or disable it. And then we can make it just a single color, or we can just remove it. And that's how you customize it. Now we can click on update, and we can view the live page, and you can see our changes are reflected here. So that's why it's important to have the demo content. And we can go to any of our other pages, and we can select and click them and edit them just as you saw. So there's how you import your demo content to your Blocksy site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.